So in a situation like this, how do you play the restaurants? Okay, this is one of the hardest hit groups when COVID first got out of control. Thanks to government safety restrictions, many of these places either shut down or operate under extremely limited capacity. As someone who has 2 restaurants in Brooklyn, I can tell you it was a huge pain in the neck. I don't see these restrictions making a comeback because the states with the lowest vaccination rates are also the most resistant to any kind of safety measures. I bet the Venn diagram of people who wouldn't wear masks and people who won't get their Moderna or Pfizer shots is almost a perfect circle. However, the Delta variant could still have a chilling effect on the industry if it makes customers less eager to go out for food. And that's bad news. How about the good news? Simple. The restaurant stocks that will do the best with the renewed COVID outbreak are the same ones that are already doing great this earnings season. When we saw this last week when Chipotle and Domino's knocked it out of the park, how about those 2 quarters? These are companies that pivoted aggressively to digital in order to make money in an environment where sit-down dining was off the menu. Many investors worried that they would struggle this past quarter because they were up against tough compares, and the greatest reopening, well, it means they're facing more competition. Instead, Chipotle and Domino's did much, much better than expected. Their stocks soared. Yep, they've been able to keep winning because their huge investments in technology, okay, not in food, but in technology, have given them a decisive edge in an even more, in a more normal environment. Plus, there's also a last man standing effect, as many of their smaller rivals went under when COVID was raging. Now, regular viewers know I love Chipotle and Domino's, but what else fits the last man standing portfolio? Well, to answer that question, we're going off the charts with the help of Bob Lang. He's the founder of explosiveoptions.net, as well as being the brilliant technician in the 2-man all-star team behind the Street.com's Trifecta Stocks newsletter. He's also the author of Know Your Options. He likes 3 charts in particular. He likes McDonald's, Starbucks, and Yum Brands, 3 of the largest players in the quick-serve space with tremendous scale and terrific management.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.